Hello everyone, myself Mitesh. I'm part of the Pi by 3, heading the AI engineering team over here. At Pi by 3, we believe AI is not here to replace people. It's here to elevate human decision making. The narrative often frames AI versus humans. We believe in AI with humans. Technology should amplify expertise, not substitute it, right? So this is the foundation of our approach. Agentic AI is systems that work alongside humans or people. Let me highlight 3 core principles of how we operate in Pi by 3 with respect to the AI and Agentic AI solutions. So let's start with our first principle. We combine multiple AI capabilities to solve real business challenges. So we don't rely on any single technique. We blend machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI to create a practical high-impact solution. In manufacturing, for example, we built a system that predicts failures, optimizes the production settings, and even interprets manuals to recommend the actions, the next best possible actions, while keeping the human operator always in control. This aligns strongly with Gartner's 2026 theme of digital AI applied to the physical environments. We have applied the same philosophy in the healthcare domain, enhancing diagnostics and helping medical practitioners to work more effectively on identification of prostate cancer, Parkinson's disease, brain tumor, and here we have used the computer visions and deep learning. And similarly, many such solutions in the other industries such as insurance and the banking. So now let's look into our second principle. We keep solutions simple and practical. Not every problem needs an advanced model. Sometimes a straightforward AI tool delivers the best result. So for sales team, for example, we integrate intelligent assistant with their existing systems, speeding up the decisions and providing the prediction for which product to be targeted by a sales team to the distributors without unnecessary complexity. Another example of retail industry, we have built a conversational chatbot where it is not limited to the customer data and segmentation, but it can fetch the data from the competitors and provide the best rate to the customers or consumers, irrespective of the underlying e-commerce platform. Second example, we help our field engineers while working onto the operational activity more effectively, where they can use conversational chatbot as a smart repository instead of searching for data from the multiple systems. So now let's look into the third and our last principle, that we design goal-driven AI systems. Agentic AI is powerful because it works towards a clear business outcome. But too many organizations spend time building infrastructure instead of solving the real business problems. That's why we created GenAI-in-a-Box 2.0, a ready-to-use platform powered by Agentic AI. So teams can focus on the outcomes and business challenges, not on the infra or setup. In the end, AI is most transformative when humans remain at the center. At Pi by 3, we build intelligent systems that connect your data, tools, and your people, empowering you to transform your business while keeping human judgment in the ground. Thank you for listening.